Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, parking assist system, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2013 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, leather seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.